am going to do the Knit Crate yarn giveaway redo. I picked a winner and the winner did not contact me. It's been a week, so I'm picking a new winner. Please contact me with my email listed down below with your information. This is the Knit Crate. It's $25.95 per month. You get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet of patterns. And if you sign up under me and put in the promo code Jewel20, then you can get 20% off your first month. And all my promotions are listed down below this video for the link for this. Also, my Amazon books for sale for crocheting and my Etsy store with mugs in it. So let's see who the winner is. It's Catherine Davidson. Congratulations. I have never done socks, but I'm looking for an easy crochet pet sweaters and men's cardigans. The giveaway looks amazing. Congratulations. Please contact me as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for participating and subscribing, and look out for more giveaways in the future. This giveaway is affiliated with Knit Crate and is not associated or affiliated with YouTube. So everybody, thank you for watching.